I think in terms of running that program, one, we are one of the founding names in ABM, and two, we really understand how to wrap that particular program around what you're doing with the product. And we're invested in you seeing success with the product, so we're invested in helping you ultimately see success with your overall program. So whether that's focused on just what you're doing with Terminus in a campaign standpoint, or if you need help from like a sales and marketing alignment standpoint, we've done it all before. We have the subject matter experts, and we're really just here to help you see success. From a strategic perspective, I think the professional services team can really help our customers achieve success by helping them better understand how to map their business goals to ABM strategies. We really understand what ABM success looks like from a macro level, and that's where that goal mapping comes in. But we also understand it from a micro level. So essentially, we're able to flex between the high-level initiatives of driving alignment, focusing on the right sets of accounts to drive ROI, and then the very specific details like, okay, for that set of accounts, what kind of content should I send them? When do I know that I should move them from one stage in my program to the next? And when I move them, what does that message look like? So we're able to kind of close the loop between the macro and micro and help customers both look at ABM from a very holistic perspective, but also be able to feel comfortable in the weeds and with the details. In terms of going with Terminus specifically from a professional services standpoint, I think the advantage that we really bring to our customers is that, one, we have that strong background in ABM, but two, we're really hands-on. And we do a lot of the management for you, if you like, from a platform management standpoint, but we don't make it a black box. Everything's very interactive. You can see what we're doing from a planning standpoint. We're really taking your goals and mapping them, so you're learning more than we are simply doing for you. It's a very consultative approach.
At the beginning of 2018, we started with onboarding and implementation services to really equip our customers with a dedicated point of contact to get up and running with the platform and see a quick time to value. Outside of onboarding, when we really mapped out what our customers' needs were, a lot of what we were hearing was having a tough time with bandwidth, having a tough time with creative, really wanting to understand what reporting they should be looking at. When we developed our offerings, we really had our customers at the heart of what we were looking to deliver because we wanted to make sure it made the most sense for them. So professional services is really meant to come alongside you as a customer to really understand your business, your use case, what you're really trying to achieve with ABM. So some of the ways that we help our customers achieve success is really giving strategic guidance on the things that you should be thinking about in terms of Terminus, but also just in terms of ABM. A lot of our customers who start their ABM journey come on board with Terminus, and it's really important for us to understand where you're at in that process. Have you done this before? Is this brand new? Maybe you've done it before and your team hasn't. So really meeting you where you are, just understanding that journey and tailoring the process to you. Customer experience and onboarding here at Terminus is something that we really train our team on. It's something that's really important to us as an entire services org, but also to Terminus as a company. Every decision that we make has customer experience at the core of it, whether it be what product we deliver, what design we deliver, and especially to the services.